Hello everyone, this is Cody from Basecamp Trading. Just want to make a quick video here to show you guys a setup I'm watching for in QQQ, the NASDAQ ETF. We are currently trying to make higher lows here, going into this breakout above roughly $630 to be exact, is the level I'm watching. So it's looking good for a nice breakout above these highs. If we get above 630, I think we can push for 637.01, this previous high. Also, our momentum is turning up here. It's moving up to the upside, and we have a buy signal here on the MQ WinWave indicator. So I'm looking to see if we can take out 630 and keep pushing. So we'll keep an eye on it, but thank you guys.